So hi everybody, a very good afternoon, good morning, namaskar. How you doing, Julie? I'm Justin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. I hope everyone is doing good and great. Some of the people I know are under the weather because of the heat and stuff. Like a friend of mine yesterday messaged me saying she's also being hit by this heat and stuff. So my advice and my suggestion and my recommendation is to stay chill and to stay, kind of cool. Have lots of beverages. Avoid lemon water. That's what they say, at least when you're dehydrated. But have ORS water, which is available in the market with the chemists and stuff. And have lots of coconut water and stuff. And try and stay in, cool spaces. No fear. So kind of, that you have air conditioning and other things around and stuff. So, I'm Justin Kapani and I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. So, it's a new week, it's a new start. And as you can see, I'm on my desk and I'm kind of getting back to my work and expression and sharing my thoughts and behind the scene and everything. And I've already had my share of personal chats with some of my personal favorite friends and people from the industry and stuff. So, what is my thought share all about? My thought share is about determination in action and stuff. So, hope you've had a good weekend. We had a rocking Delhi Drum Circle session yesterday where most of the Delhi Drum Circle people, mostly working people, corporate people, people who are working with organizations, they're with NGOs, they're musicians, they're event managers and stuff, and people like me, designers or self employed or whatever you may want to call us, startup owners or whatever. So we were there and we were adding joy and happiness on the grand occasion of World Hypertension Day. And it was a great sight to see the elderly, super senior citizens in their 80s plus to be kind of making the best use of our energy and our music and stuff, and kind of also contributing to the whole community engagement or creative pursuit with their participation through music and dancing and thought share and stuff like that. And it looks like it's going to go for a long. It's gonna go long with them. So this is the second time we've performed and played for the senior citizen peoples. And my thought is on, or my video is on determination is in action. So this is a read. It is from a US read that I have before me. It is on Strength Finders, and it's called Determination is in Action. So we all know American inventor and businessman Thomas Edison. So he says, "I have not failed, but I found 10,000 ways that won't work." And then you have Richard Branson, the founder of Virgin. If he says, "If you're hurt, lick your wounds and get up. If you've given it your absolute best, it's still time to move forward." And then we have Wang Xuanfu, founder and CEO of BYD, the Chinese electric car and battery company. Along with Warren Buffett, he says, "We never rest. We never rest. So we keep going forward. So I'm reading this because it's got a very useful and optimistic approach towards your work, towards your colleagues, towards the world, towards your partners, towards people who are working along with you, and you can see possibilities where others see barriers. So there's some beautiful lines which I really relate with, and I also kind of go by those. And these are: your determined optimism and work ethics will inspire, energize your team to do more. And working with inventive people and people from different walks of life can inspire you. The uncanny ability to sort through many ideas and hone in on the best will help transform your idea or product or service into a better one for your customer and for the market. And always keep the big picture of your business in mind. So this will help you navigate through your ways of twists and turns and journey of design and achievement and profession and brand and entrepreneurship. And it will definitely strengthen your natural tendency to push forward in the adverse circumstances and stuff. And they also say then you have to monitor your progress towards predefined goals when executing a strategy. You got to kind of set a specific milestone so you know if the strategy is working or not. And you may have to change the course. And by doing so, we can always avoid costly mistakes early on. we got to be attentive to consistently and constantly shifting our business landscape. So when we see a new project, or we kind of see new production stuff, we may want to add them to our portfolio. But however, you got to pay attention to the trend. You got to kind of pay attention to the technologies. You got to pay attention to the customer base and similar markets and stuff. And why so? This is because it's going to kind of help you keep a tap and keep an awareness on your work environment, and switch the gears and take different actions as and when required. So they also say that don't focus and avoid focusing on the cause of the setbacks. So rather than directing your energy towards what has failed and what made you kind of have a setback and challenge, try and propel and activate your energy towards what is going to help you move forward. Improving your strategy and your reactions to circumstances will definitely keep you upbeat and reduce the downtime when you encounter obstacles.